8 simple life hacks to organize your tiny apartment. Are you finding that your apartment is feeling a bit cramped, or that you're just running out of room? Here are 8 simple life hacks you can try at home to make your tiny apartment roomier. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Number 1. Place S-hooks on the shower bar to make towel racks. This neat trick allows you to have towels handy after a shower. You know, your hair towel, your body towel, your toes towel, you get the idea. Number 2. Store pot lids inside your cabinet doors. This hack can save you tons of cabinet or counter space. Number 3. Place corner shelves in small corners to boost your storage space. Number 4. Cut out shelves into your walls. If you own your own apartment and have the option to remodel, you can add some extra space by building shelves inside your walls. Number 5. Make a shirt chain by hanging multiple shirts on chain links. By taking a chain and hanging your shirts on the chain links vertically, you can add more space to your already full closet. Number 6. Fold your clothes vertically to make more room in your cabinet. You've probably found yourself once or twice jamming clothes that won't fit into your drawer. Before deciding on throwing away clothes, try folding them vertically. You'll wonder why you never thought of trying this before. Number 7. Hang a standing spice rack or shelf on the side of a fridge. Now, this hack might not work for everyone, but if your fridge has an open side, hang a shelf there to give you a bit more storage. Number 8. Make more storage room under your bed by lifting it up with bed risers. If you're like most people with a small bedroom, you probably find yourself using the space underneath your bed as storage. If that's the case, try lifting your bed on bed risers to give you a few more inches of storage space. We hope these tips help add a little bit more room in your apartment. What did you think of our list? Leave us your thoughts in the comments, and click the subscribe button so you can be notified when we have new videos. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching.